Right, goedemiddag, graad 4. Good afternoon, grade 4. This is our first Afrikaans klug lesson, so welcome. It is on Voegwoorde, and in grade 4 you just do groep 1, you just do group 1. So in grade 5 and grade 6 they may ask you about Voegwoorde groep 1, but in grade 4 they will only ask you on groep 1, on group 1. So, welcome, and I'm going to take you through the rules for group 1, for group 1. When I teach Afrikaans, it is a first additional language for me and for most of you watching, so it's your second language. So I speak a lot of English, and I explain a lot of the rules in English, just so that you understand how they work, so you understand properly. If I explain the rules in Afrikaans, you may not understand necessarily. So, Voegwoorde. What are Voegwoorde? In English, Voegwoorde are conjunctions. So they are words that join two or more sentences together. So there are 3 groups of different words. Groep 1, group 1, has got, I'm going to teach you 3 different words. So when you see those 3 words, you know to apply the groep 1 reël, the group 1 rule. Okay, so the words are maar, want, and en. Okay, so maar means but, want means because, and means and. Okay. When you join your sentences using maar and want, you have to put a comma before, not with en. Okay. So let's look at a sentence and practice together. Okay. Tanya eet 'n appel. So that's my first sentence. Going to be joining it with the word want, which means because. Sy is honger. She is hungry. And we're going to be joining it with the word because, with the word want. Okay? So exactly the same. You'll say Tanya eet 'n appel. So nothing changes in your first sentence. Now we're joining it with the word want, which means because. It needs to get a comma, then because you're taking away the full stop, you've got to obviously take away your capital letter for say. So say is honger. Full stop at the end. Okay. That's want. Let's do the next one. Maar. Maar means but. Kyla will swim. Kyla wants to swim. That is koud. It is cold. Join the words or join the sentences with the word maar. Okay, because it's maar, it gets a comma before. So, Kyla will swim. Maar dit is koud. So as you can see, we've put our comma before and we've taken away the capital D because now your dit is in the middle of the sentence. Okay? So these two have the same rule. Want and maar have the same rule. You put a comma before you put them into your the middle of your sentences. I'm going to erase these now, and I'm going to do a last example on the word en. So the word en obviously means and. So ek eet 'n pisang. I eat a banana. Ek drink water. I drink water. Okay, so now we're going to join these two sentences with our voegwoord or our conjunction en. Okay, so ek eet 'n pizza. No comma before your en. En ek drink water. So what a lot of second language or first additional language speakers do is they'll capitalize the E in ek, because in English we capitalize the I when we say I love you or I am going to the shops. You do not do that in Afrikaans. It's always a small E for ek. So that's the one tip that I just have to tell you. Another tip that's good to know is the more you read, the more your vocabulary grows, the more Afrikaans you understand. And if you get a trick question maybe where they give you two sentences, they don't tell you what conjunction to use, those of you who have a larger vocabulary, a wider vocabulary, who know more words, who can understand those sentences, will then be able to realize, okay, I need to put an N for and, or I need to put a want for because, or I need to put a maar for but. So I hope you enjoyed this quick burst of a lesson on Voegwoorde Groep 1. Remember, it's a grade 4 lesson because grade 4s just do this. But for grade 5s and grade 6s, you need to know these examples too. For grade 5s and grade 6s, just so you know, another Groep 1 woord, another group 1 word is off. But we will get to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in.